Hey, this is Tyres, Barbecue 101. Today we're in Summit Point, West Virginia. We're on the west side toward Washington, D.C. of West Virginia. So we're with Aaron and Joe, Philogene, and the Philogene kids. So my granddaughter Vieira. We are making breakfast this morning. So what we decided to do is do the contemporary breakfast. I've already started. We've got some sausage cooking here, and we're just gonna add a patty to this. Nothing special, just sausage patty. And some of them are already cooking, and they're just about ready. You know, I like my sausage done. I'm not burnt, but done. So we're just making some homemade sausage patties here. We'll have some biscuits in a minute. Let's do some prep. So we've got our canned biscuits already, and there's nothing special about this. It's just canned biscuits. And spread these out. Get some of these hungry children fed this morning. So our biscuits are prepped, ready to go. We're going to work on our eggs. So we bought these at the grocery store yesterday, and we're going to do nothing but scrambled eggs this morning. I love eggs anyway, but I love fried eggs. Scrambled eggs are good, but I like mine fluffy, not over easy, but just lightly cooked, but not runny. Can't do runny eggs. And we're probably going to need pretty close to a dozen eggs. There's a lot of us here right now. All right, so the eggs have been scrambled, and we're ready to cook those. I got my butter in the pan here, and we're getting ready to cook the eggs. So we're going to take out our biscuits right here. These are our wampums. We call them wampums because you got to wamp them down the table and open up the can. And our bacon is in here. We cut the bacon in half. It's rocking and rolling. Cut it in half so you don't have to get a great big long piece and break it up. And now we're going to do some eggs. So test our eggs just a little bit. Yeah, that's ready to go. And we don't want to waste them. We always take and use it all. So the way I like to do my eggs is I don't sit there and scramble them to death. I like my eggs to cook, and then we use kind of like a raking method, and you just kind of move it from one side to the other. Let it cook. The eggs are very, very cold. Pan's hot, so it uses up the heat, so it's got to continue to heat right back up. Okay, so the bacon is done. And what we're going to do is going to give us a few eggs here. They came out just about perfect, the way I like them. And we're going to take us one of these fluffy biscuits, some sausage, and we'll put that whole egg on there. Now that's a sausage biscuit. And I'm gonna get myself a couple pieces of bacon. Kind of the way I like my bacon. I don't want it raw. I don't want it too overdone. Okay. And I'm probably gonna have two. So there you go. So that's the way we have a breakfast here in West Virginia. So let me take a bite out of this because I am really hungry. Now that's a biscuit. Y'all forgive me. The eggs are fluffy, just perfect. What, not overly cooked. They're just fluffy. I like my eggs this way. We took them off. We let the heat cook them just by themselves, not continually scrambling the eggs. If you'll take a look, they're fluffy in the pan. Perfect. The way I like it. On a biscuit, you can have egg on a biscuit. You can have sausage by itself. I like egg and sausage biscuits and bacon. Again, we'll take our wampums. We'll put it right on the bacon, right on the biscuit. I can have just a bacon biscuit. Reminds me of my childhood. Fantastic. That's breakfast, North Carolina style, here in West Virginia. So they're gonna get ready to come in here and eat. Remember to like and subscribe. The button's at the bottom. Please tell your friends, subscribe. There's more coming. We're gonna be here for a few days and we're gonna do some more filming around the area, and stay tuned. Thanks for watching.